This guide will help you enable frame stuttering in Cyberpunk 2077 for a smoother gaming experience. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access game settings. Open Cyberpunk 2077 and navigate to the main menu. From there, select settings to access the game as configuration options. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. In the settings menu, go to the graphics tab. Here, you can modify various graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and more to optimize performance. Step 3. Enable VSync. Look for the VSync option in the graphics settings. Enabling VSync can help reduce screen tearing and improve frame stability, which may help with stuttering issues. Step 4. Set frame rate limit. Find the frame rate limit option in the graphics settings. Setting a frame rate limit that matches your monitor's refresh rate can help maintain a consistent frame output and reduce stuttering. Step 5. Update drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, etc. to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve game performance and reduce stuttering. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your gaming experience in Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your time in Night City.